Hi everyone, just a very quick tutorial showing you how to turn your Fusion 360 models into STL files ready for 3D printing. So here's a model that we've completed in an earlier video, and I want an STL file from this. So all I do is I go to this bodies drop down here and right click on the body and scroll down to save as STL, select save as STL. For the purposes of building at school and through me, we can always use default settings, so you don't need to mess with this box at all and just hit OK, and that will just open up a window allowing you to save in your chosen folder. Obviously rename. I'm going to rename this part wand and enter. So that will save your part as an STL file. It's an STL file that will drive our 3D printers. So if you want me to print your 3D parts, you save as STL and you can email me those STL files. Okay, best of luck throughout.